Linguistic competence. Linguistic competence of a language is shown in the use of basic elements that go together to form a language, that is, lexis, grammar, and phonology. Our key understanding about the role of lexis and its relationship to grammar has increased in recent years. Previously, it was thought that there was no relationship between grammar and lexis and they could be treated separately. But now this distinction is getting blurred as we come to know more about how language systems actually work. Words are divided into three parts. For example, content words, functional words, and multi-word units. Content words are those words which are also called lexical words or lexical units, and they take the load of the meaning in a language. They are adjectives, nouns, adverbs, and verbs. Then come the functional words, those who have to perform a function in between the lexical words. They are the determiners like a, an, and the modals like can, should, pronouns like he, she, it, they, prepositions like on, off, under, inserts, connectors, and so many others. And these categories may overlap. Then multi-word units, these are phrasal words, bundles, chunks, or groups of words. They might be more than one word, but they behave as one word. So, nevertheless, is one word, but how do you do is also acts like one word, although it consists of 4 or 5 words within it. These words are typically sentence headers, phrasal verbs and idioms, collocations, and collocations. Another feature which has increased our understanding about how language works is that there is difference between spoken and written grammar. Each of these, they follow different grammatical rules. So it is important for business English students to understand that the rules which apply for a written text, you cannot apply those rules in your spoken conversation. If you do try to apply the written rules to your conversation, then your speech may sound unnatural and stilted. So, spoken language has got its own characteristics. It consists of contractions, it consists of ellipses, it consists of hesitations, and typically it consists of the vernacular of the speakers. Then it also has tags and discourse markers. Linguistic competence is also about how you say things. It is not only about what you say, but how you say. And phonology, the third component of which forms the basic components of a language, is about how we use our voices to make the sounds of utterances. So typically we use stress, rhythm, intonation, and chunking. Stress, rhythm, and intonation, they add to the meaning of what we are saying. And chunking involves lengthening of the syllable to signal that it is coming to an end.